Ang dami. Yung balot for 30 to 40 minutes. And after ma-boil, we have to prepare yung other ingredients. So, we have vinegar, soy sauce, atswete, sugar, and then we have onions, and then yung star thingy, laurel, ginisang mix, garlic, green chili, calamansi, and red chili, and of course, balot. Okay, first is gagayatin yung onions. Ganyan. Make sure pala na tatanggalin nyo yung balat. Yan, after matanggal yung balat. So, chop ko lang yan. Tapos, after that, garlic naman. So, yan. I think yan yung mas madaling way para tanggalin yung balat. Yan. So, tatanggal mo din yung balat, lahat. And then, chop mo lang ulit. Ganyan. Tapos, yung green chili naman. So, yan. Ganyan yung pag-chop. Parang paslant. Ganon. Tapos, after that, pagsasamahin mo lang siya sa isang plate. And then, ito naman yung sa balot. So, for that, is paghihiwalay yung sabaw and then yung laman. Yan. So, make sure na walang may iwan na shells. Also, kasama pala yung sisiyo kapag niluto. Yan o. Preheat yung pan and then make sure na mainit na yung pan bago ilagay yung oil. Yan na. Ilalagay yung oil. And then, kalat mo lang yung oil sa pan. Tapos, hintayin mo lang uminit yung oil. And then, make sure mo lang na nakakalat yung oil. Tapos, yan. Ganyan daw malalaman kapag mainit na yung oil. Tapos, lagay mo muna yung onion. Isautay mo muna siya. Okay, halo-halo mo lang. And then, after that, onion tsaka garlic. Tapos, add na natin yung balot na sabaw. Yan. Tapos, halo-haluin mo lang. Ganon. Tapos, add mo na yung star anise. Tapos, soy sauce. And then, add mo na din. Ay, wait pala. Halo mo muna pala. Tapos, i-add na din natin yung vinegar. Yan. Yan. Dapat dire-diretso lang yung halo mo. Green chili. Like, konti. Tapos, add din tayo ng pepper. Yan. And then, yan, yung ginisa mix pala. So, ilalagay natin yun. Tapos, i-add na yung calamansi. Yan, 1, 2, and 3. So, 3. Very good at cooking. So, please bear with me. Konti lang alam ko. Anyway, so, yan, nilagyan ng asukal. And then, i-add na yung aswete. Yun, yung in-add na yun is yun yung natirang sabaw ng balot. Like, nilagyan lang siya ng water. Tapos, i-add na yung laman ng balot. Yan, lagay-lagay lang dyan. Kasama yung sisiw ha. Don't forget the sisiw. Ang dami. So, mahilig ako sa balot. Kaya, I'm excited for this. Anyway. Tapos, mag-a-add ng cornstarch. Yun. And then, haluin mo lang ulit. Anyway, so, yan na nga. Like, so, yan. Yan na yung finished product. And then, luto na. And then, yung natirang onions, green chili and red chili, yun yung gagawin nating toppings. Tada! Ang sarap.